Tell me about the boat, the animals, and the rainbow.
Ah, Noah's Ark. It's a great story, but it didn't start with animals. It started with a warning no one wanted to hear. After Cain and Abel, the world grew darker. There was a lot of violence and bloodshed. People did whatever they wanted. No one cared about right or wrong. God looked at it all and was heartbroken. He regretted making humans. But one man stood out. Noah. He walked with God.
Walked with God? Like, go on a walk?
No, my love. It means he prayed, listened, and obeyed. He also spoke to others about turning back to God.
Like a preacher?
Yes, like a preacher. But the people did not change. They got worse. So God said,
Noah, you need to build an ark.
An ark? What is an ark?
A big boat. I am done with these people. Every thought they have is evil. I am sending a big flood to wipe out everything. And here are your instructions. 1. Build a huge boat. 2. Bring your family inside the boat. 3. Take 2 of every animal, 1 male, 1 female. 4. Pack lots of food for everyone. Enough food for you and all the animals with you. 5. Get inside. Wait for my signal. Then close the door.
Noah didn't understand, but he obeyed. Even though there was no sign of rain. Meanwhile, many mocked and made fun of Noah.
So, let me get this straight. Your sky daddy is sending a flood to wipe us all out. Ridiculous! Only a foolish man builds a boat in the desert.
The longer it took, the louder they laughed. But Noah persisted, and they finished building the ark. Then the animals came. Elephants, tigers, giraffes, zebras, and so many more. Not by Noah's call, but by God's whisper.
Did the neighbors believe Noah when the animals started to show up?
I wish. Their hearts stayed hard. Noah, his family, and all the animals went into the boat. Noah shut the door. Then the heavens opened. The rain continued for days. The people who made fun of Noah started to panic. They banged on the ark.
Noah, I demand you open this door at once.
Demand didn't work, so they pleaded.
Please, my friend, let me in. I beg of you.
Sadly, it was too late. Everything vanished.
Was Noah scared?
I think they were. I would have been. But then, the rain stopped.
So they all came out?
No, darling. The earth was still covered with water. They had to wait.
For how long?
for more than a year.
What? A year with lions, elephants, and all that poop?
Exactly. Noah sent a raven and a dove to see if it was time to come out. The dove came back with a leaf, and Noah knew it was time. Then God said,
You can come out, Noah. It's a new beginning for you and your family.
the grass grew back, the trees returned, and Noah was thankful.
Never again will I flood the whole earth. This rainbow is my promise to you.
Mommy, if we were there, would we have followed Noah?
We weren't there, my love, but we still get to obey God even now.
How? Another flood?
No. This time we are invited to accept Jesus as our Savior. We read our Bible, pray, and obey God, even when others laugh and mock our faith.
I want to be like Noah.
Then start now. Obey God, your dad, your teachers, and me. Have a good sleep, my love. See you in the morning.